Isn't it silly to jeopardize our neighborly relations over this scrawny little bird?
Yeah, jeopardize.
Huh, he's not even a mouthful for either of us.
Yeah, he is kind of puny, you know.
You see, I've been sick.
What do you say, Sam, we just put him back and forget him?
Yeah, that adds up.
I'll buy that, too.
I'll put him back up on the pole, just like we never saw him.
Just a moment, Sylvester. I'll put him back. I would not want you to fall down and, like, injure yourself, you know? Yeah.
Why should you take all the risks, Sam? Let's both put him back.
You know what? You are extremely considerate, Sylvester. It's a very good trait.
Well, that's that.
Yep, that's that, all right.
Well, so long, Sam.
So long, Sylvester Rooney.
That stupid cat.
Yeah, I think I will hit you a sack.